What is up, guys? I hope you're doing well. In today's episode, we're going to be making some pancakes. Now, if you are familiar with my channel and making stuff, you'll know that, and I don't like to bash myself at the beginning of a video, but I'm not the best baker. So if I can make these pancakes, you can make these pancakes. Now, we've done about 2 episodes so far of just me making stuff in the kitchen and stuff like that. I believe so. We've done the baking video. I made my birthday cake. Well, my mom and I made my birthday cake. And we made some cookies. And I'll say the cookie video, I really like that video. So if you want to go check out that video, it'll pop up in one of the corners or something. But yeah, the cake didn't turn out so well. The cookies, they turned out great. So we're like 1 for 2 right now. We're trying to make it 2 for 3. So in today's episode, obviously, we're gonna be making some pancakes. Now, I have my grandfather's recipe for making pancakes, and I was looking on the list and everything, and it turns out I don't have everything to make that. But I found a new recipe, and we're gonna try that out today. And thanks for coming along. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video at any point in time, hit the like button and comment below if I'm doing anything wrong. So, everything you need for this pancake recipe is as follows: flour, granulated sugar, milk, vegetable oil, sea salt, baking powder, and eggs. Actually, you'll only be needing 1 egg, so yeah. Alrighty, so in a large bowl, put the flour in. There you go. 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, last but not least, 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, you gotta mix it up and stuff. Yeah. Alrighty, next we have to beat an egg, so let's do that. Also, what you want to do is you want to make a little well like I did there, and then pour the egg right in the center. There you go. It looks like a giant egg. Then pour the milk into that specific area. Don't know if I'm doing this completely right, but we're about to find out. Then 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Oh, a little over on that one. We'll just do a little bit for this one. There we go. Alrighty, now I gotta mix that together. Now, the recipe doesn't specifically call for cinnamon, but whenever my family makes our original recipe of pancakes, we always add cinnamon, so I might add just a little bit of cinnamon. Cool, so now that we've actually made the pancakes and concocted them, now we can cook them. Really glad I didn't hit my face on that. That would have sucked. But yeah, let's get into the cooking. Probably not what a real chef would do, just straight picking up the butter, but I'm no real chef. I'm just a guy. I just make YouTube videos. I like making videos. Yeah, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit the like button. It means a lot to me. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And let's get back into the pancakes. So as you can see, there's some bubbles and holes right here. Let's check it to see how we looking. We're looking good. It looks a little bit like a crepe right now. So we're gonna, keep it on there just for a little bit longer. So we're gonna flip it. That's weird. Burn, no burn. Burn, no burn. Burn. Voila! Mom's showing me how to make a syrup with just, brown sugar, butter, and water. So once you have your 1/4 cup of butter, you get a 1/4 cup of, 1/4 cup? Yeah, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Had to second guess myself for a second. Boom, boom. Put this in here. And just a little splash of water. Not too much.
Otherwise it comes out too watery.
Just a little bit. Yeah, otherwise, if you put too much water, then it comes out watery. And here at the James household, we like some thick syrup, so yeah. Then you put what we just did in the microwave. I'll swap you guys out. You don't belong in the microwave. Then, there we go, there's my lighting. Then 20 seconds in the microwave, but really 30 seconds in the microwave. Check it at 20 seconds. Make sure it doesn't like overflow. I've done that. It's not fun. Ooh, looks good, Mom, looks good. Alrighty, so now that we're done, probably wondering why I only made one pancake. I don't know. But yeah, let's try it. It's all buttered up. Let's see how it looks. It's cooked, so that's good. That's awesome. Let's try with this syrup. Let's see it. Let's see it. Like a lot of syrup. That is really good. That's really good, guys. Yeah, guys, so if you want the recipe, it is linked below, or you can follow the video. Good stuff right there. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.